Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the store locator feature on the H&M application to search for nearby H&M stores. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon down below, which is the second option. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the store locator option. After that, you can enable the app or allow the application to have access to your location, but you can also type in your location manually into the search bar at the top of the screen, find the store, type in your location, hit enter or OK, and then you will be able to locate the nearby stores. Here you can also use the map, and here are the available H&M stores on the map marked with the H&M icon, so you can check out the location and the opening hours as well. You can go to the store page and get the directions as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.